Hey there, quick review on this Copper Cove satin stainless finish. This is the ball knob style with the privacy lock set, which is going to allow you to lock it for interior use. The satin stainless finish on this is excellent. There aren't any imperfections. It comes packaged really well, so everything is protected. There are no scratch or imperfections in the finish. Installation for this is super easy. You just are gonna have 2 screws that go in here. Very simple lock set to install. Now with different doors, there can be different back sets where the door is actually bored to accept the hardware. Typically that's gonna be either a 2 3/8 back set or 2 3/4. With this hardware, you can select between either of those. That way you're covered in either situation. And as you can see here, switching between a 2 3/4 and 2 3/8 back set is very simple. You just slide that back and forth. One important note on your latch plates, all of the edges are rounded over. In this day and age, it is typical that doors and jambs will come from the factory with rounded mortises, so these are going to fit those situations perfectly. This is nice because you don't have to do that extra step of squaring off a square mortise if these corners would be coming to a perfectly sharp point. So that is key. One of the other features I like about this lock set is it does have a lot of play where the latch goes into the strike plate. That's important because if your door and jamb are not in perfect alignment, if there isn't enough space, the door won't latch properly. Here you've got a lot of space. So if you're in a home where the doors are not perfectly hung, this will help with that and work really well. Locking is very simple. You've got a simple turn knob here on the back, very easy to use. And then they include a key with the lock set for locking and unlocking. Very simple to use that also. If you don't have a key, you could also use a quarter, a key from your keychain, a screwdriver. Lots of different things will work with this, and that's a feature that I like better than lock sets that require you to insert a really small screwdriver or Allen wrench to unlock the door. This is a lot better in my opinion. Overall, I think this ball knob style with the satin stainless finish is really nice. It looks good, easy to install, and it's got all the key features I would expect for an interior lock set. This is going to be a nice product at a great price point.